So this is where we have to park, and this is, oh God, it's cold, the trek to my house, which is all the way down there. Just saw a fucking fish over there. If there's an alligator in here, I'm gonna die. I'm up to my knees right now almost. Oh God, it's getting deeper. All right, the water's definitely touching my knees now. There's my car all the way up there. My neighbor's house is completely underwater. This is where the drain pipe usually is. You can see it's really doing the most right now. My neighbors are kayaking down the street. About thigh high now. Oh God, I just felt a fish. Our mailboxes and the kayakers. And this is my driveway. Oh God. My yard has turned into a swamp. Oh goodness. We have our method of transport tied up right here. God, I just stepped on a tree. And the cats that can't go anywhere. Hi, buddy. You can see my garage is completely underwater. And the river back there